I made close to $2,000 in my first week on Etsy. So in this video, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step plan on how to turn your passion into a profit Etsy. If you've ever dreamed of making $2,000 a week doing something you love, you are in the right place. For example, look at this user. By designing a different and beautiful product, managed to have high sales. Another one with handmade products, which is so popular in Etsy market. So guys, let's talk about how you can turn your artistic talent into thriving online business. Imagine walking into an Etsy marketplace full of unique handmade items. What catches your eyes? For example, I'm always looking for a t-shirt on Etsy. One of the things that will help you in choosing a product is the Google Trend website. It is completely free to use. To make sure your items aren't just product, they are works art. Try to be creative and produce an attractive different product. There are various tools for product you design. One of the most important of them is the CANVA program. CANVA provides you with many free features for product design. You can get ideas or design new designs through it. For example, with the help of CANVA, I was able to design a Disney design t-shirt to my taste. For the design of all the product you want, you can get help from CANVA. As you can see, using CANVA is very easy and easily accessible. After designing the product, we need to use one of the websites that help us put our design on the product. Printiful and Printify are two great companies that do this type of design for us. But there are other websites like TeePublic. One of these websites, you can start putting your design on the product, and after making some custom products, this website can be easily connected to the Etsy shop. With your beautiful product in your hand, it is time to set up shop on Etsy. Sign up for an Etsy account if you don't already have one. You can do this by visiting the Etsy website and clicking Sell on Etsy in the upper right corner. After creating your account, you need to set up your shop. The next step is choose a name that represents your brand and is easy to remember. Also, you can get help from NAMELIX.com website to choose a name. Add a profile photo and write a compelling store bio that tells your story. Click List a new item to start adding your products. Be sure to include high-quality photos that showcase your product from different angles. Don't forget to write a complete description of the product. Also, research similar products on Etsy to determine competitive pricing. Consider factors such as the cost of material, labor, and your desired profit margin. And then set your shipping preferences. Communicate shipping times and cost clearly with your customers. Also, you can use Etsy shipping profiles to save time setting up shipping for multiple products. One of the most important things is to promote your store. Share your Etsy shop on social media platforms. For example, I shared the photo of my product on my Instagram page, and this makes my product's view increase. Etsy also offers advertising options to increase your store visibility. And don't forget to answer questions quickly and communicate clearly with your customers. Positive reviews can significantly affect your store's reputation. Remember, success on Etsy takes time, dedication, and true love for what you do. I hope you get a good experience from Etsy. Also in this video, I explain how to earn money from Pinterest. I will back soon.